Hello everyone, welcome to Maker Monday.
Hey guys, I'm Dustin Barnes with the Jessamine County Public Library and welcome to Maker Monday.
So this is the main page of our new copiers. Today we're going to be working with simple copy and copy. So first up we're going to take our paper, open the main tray, load it in high as you can, top left corner face down, close it, and we're going to work with simple copy right now. So I'm going to click on this. And right here is going to be our color mode. So if we click on it, we can choose black and white or full color. Black and white is 10 cents per page per side. Full color is 35. So we're going to keep it on black. Right here is our zoom. And if we click this, we can either use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the size of our copy zoom. Or if we click on it, we can actually manually put in the numbers right there. But we're going to leave it at 100 for right now. And finally, we have the paper set up right here. So if we click on this, it'll give you the options. Typically, most pages are going to be one-side to one-sided. But if you want, you can go one-side to two-sided, and that's for the tray we're currently using, the bottom one. That will have two one-sided pages put in, and then by the end of it, you'll have a copy on the front and back. Two-sided, two-sided, and two to one-sided are basically used for the top tray only. So we're just going to leave it on 1 to 1. And I'm just going to go up here to set real quick. And if you like, you can add multiple copies if you want. If you need 2, 3, 4, or 5 copies, you can put that in right here. Or you can just use the plus or minus buttons if you need multiple copies. Otherwise, you just hit start. And you'll see this screen. And over here on the left, you'll see the tray rise up for you. And in a few moments, you'll get your copy, just like this. And we have a copy of our paper right here. So right now, we're going to switch over to the more complex copy version instead of simple copy. So I'm just going to go back to home, click on copy, and we're going to use our top tray. So I'm just going to put it face up right here. And this might take a second or two, but the tray will rise up. Might have to play around with it a little bit. And there we go. So down here we have some new options. You can see it's mostly the same. Right here we have our zoom. Our color mode is going to be up here. Our sets are going to be right up here in this top corner. The main new thing we're worrying about is right here is going to be your color balance. So if it's more to the right, it'll be a darker color for your copy. More to the left, a lighter color for your copy. Of course, we'll leave it on auto. And all you have to do is hit the blue start button and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jcpublib.org/creative space.